What you're looking at here is the Building Initiative course, www.askace.com/build. To register, all you need to do is enter your name, email address, and create a password for future logging in. After adding your personal details, enter a debit card or credit card. This is a safe payment system managed by Stripe, which is globally recognised. We do not track your card details. You will automatically be logged in when you register. You can get back at any time through the login page. askace.com/build/go. You learn through examples and by reflecting. The idea is that we show you what we have done and how. In this Building Initiative course, there are different completed building projects for you to look at, so you can see the methods we used and how we got results over and over and over again. We give examples of buildings that we have created and the thinking behind each project. In the Building Initiative course, you will see how we have found building materials, how we planned projects, how we found people to work with and support our vision, what we did to complete projects, how we resourced the builds, what we were thinking. As a student in the ASKACE course, your job is to get inspired, feel empowered, and to communicate what you really want. This will help you. It will also improve your communication with others as you get ready to transform your life and create new ideas. The Building Initiative course is about using industrial waste to make small buildings. It is a course about leveraging yourself into a better position.